So this is day 5 of journaling my trades. 2-minute chart of gold, quick short. This is as soon as the market opens in the evening as well, so this is pretty much done straight away. Yeah, quick short from the 100 EMA for a retest of the 50, and that was a $99 profit on that trade. Okay, so second trade of the day. This is gold again, this time on the 1-minute chart. Quite a big news day today, hence the spike up. We took a buy, playing into the idea of the continuation of the uptrend, holding the 9 EMA. So I was at least anticipating the top of the range and VWAP being retested, but it never even looked like going, and just stopped me out. So that's a minus $437 on the day in total now. Okay, so this is the third trade of the day. On the Nasdaq this time, pretty much straight after I just lost the last one. So pretty revenge trading, I would definitely say. We were also very, very close to our max daily loss. So realistically, if I was going to take anything else, I should have really scaled the contract size down just to make sure that if I did get stopped out, it wasn't for much. Foreshadowing. This one played out quite nicely, but it lost its momentum just short of my take profit. So and then it reversed completely and stopped me out. So looking at it now, this is why it's kind of like a fine line, because I don't want to be jumping out of trades too quickly that are moving in the right direction, which is what I've been guilty of, especially this week. You know, my wins have been much smaller than they could have been because I didn't really trust them. I lost faith in them a little bit. But ultimately, I should never have taken it, or the last one really, because on reflection, it had this big move up and then complete loss of momentum, and then it's just chopped. So it's just choppy, and I shouldn't have been trading in the chop. I should have recognised that and not done it. I took 2 trades later on in the day, which put me in profit. Or I should say 2 smaller trades later on that were profitable, but I'm still down $538 on the day, which obviously rounds out the week to a red week. I think since starting trading futures, this is probably the worst week I've had doing it. But I have to admit, these last 2 days I haven't really been able to look at the charts properly. Certainly not like actually sit down and look and do it properly. I've just sort of been like I think today, these two trades that I took today were just a case of I just glanced at it and just sort of half-arsed it, and ultimately it was just the wrong thing to do. But yeah, I've never had this many red days in a week, and I've actually come off the back of the last 2 weeks being really, really good. Like all green days. I think these last 2 weeks I don't think I had a single green day. A single red day. They were all green days, all up really well as well. So obviously I ended up blowing an account on Monday very early on. I just went on full tilt and just thought, sod it. But yeah, this week has been bad. But at the same time, watching the trades back, which is what I'm doing now, I think is going to be really, really beneficial for me.